Hi, I'm Lachlan from Kashy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the cabin filter on this Hyundai Elantra. I choose to do this early in the service because my gloves aren't dirty yet. So, round here, Aaron. Now this was the car that we used for the demonstration of how to change a cabin filter or how to check a cabin filter. So check out in a direction as to how to do it properly. I'm going to pop this down. There are two little clips on the inside edge. Grab both of those out. Pop off the little armature on the side. We're going to leave that, hold that glove box so it doesn't fall out. And then with the top of our finger, I'm going to pull off the flap and wiggle out the old cabin filter. Jesus. Now, this one doesn't look real bad, but once you get the creases all opened up, you can see that it's right full of dust and grime. So, Erin, do you get allergies at all?
Sometimes.
Okay.
Not as bad as I used to.
Allergies are one of the prime reasons to replace cabin filters. If you get consistent allergies, wow, that's embarrassing. If you get consistent allergies, then cabin filter will really help. So slide all that back up in there, nice and gentle like. Make sure that all these cords are cool. That's that, that's that. And then pop our little cover on. These covers always give me a little bit of headache. They really shouldn't, but they do. And especially on your car, Aaron. There we go, popped in. Popped our little thingamabob on the side. It's basically like a shock absorber that slows down the rate that the glove box opens. Always make sure the glove box works afterwards. Like, there's nothing worse than like having to go back and visit a car, or like finding out you've got a problem when you thought you were done with all the work. Again, we're going to grab all of our stuff together, pack it up into a nice little pile, ready for the bin. While I'm here, grab out my service book. I'm going to check what service we're up to. So, that was done. All those look to be done. Oh, there's my name. Wow. We're out of the logbook. So today, Erin's going to be getting a brand new Kashy themed logbook as a part of the service. We try to keep a couple on the truck, just in case someone needs a new logbook, they've run out. Cool. What shall we check next, Erin? And that's how to replace the cabin filter on a Hyundai Elantra. Thanks again, I'm Lachlan from Kashy.